Hey guys, Budget Build Overlander here. So it's been a while since I posted a video, but today I'm going to tell you how I had a budget fail. So I had the marker lights. Wanted to get something clear because an 07 comes with the amber lights. I believe the 012s and up come with clear ones already from the factory. Mine didn't. I wanted to get something clear. So you know what I did? I took to Amazon and I bought the cheapest thing, sticking with the whole budget build idea, right? So these are the ones that I got from Amazon. They worked okay. I mean, there was a little lag in them. They blinked sometimes whenever they weren't supposed to. They were kind of clear, right? Until I got the KC Gravity Pro 7 headlights and the matching fog lights to those. And then these looked like they were weathered yellow. And I'd had these for less than a year. One of them also broke on the back, so less than a year it already broke. That's another problem. So I went searching. I wanted something truly clear, and I'll show you what I found. So these are what I found. These are from Extreme Terrain. These are the Axial, I believe that I'm saying that right, turn signals. They are clear. A lot clearer than those. And there you can kind of see what I'm talking about. How the headlights, the fog lights that I got are super clear. And these kind of had like a yellow or weathered appearance to them. The Axial ones, for 50 bucks, which is about twice the cost of these. I believe these yellow looking ones were 25. These were 50. And the difference is extraordinary. Like, you can just see how clear the Axials are. And they do come with their own resistor that you have to mount. And I'll show you that now. So these were pretty plug and play. They did come with a resistor right there. Pretty sure that's what it's called. That I had to mount on the body. And I mean, someone can comment below, but I believe that's just because the LEDs get so hot. That's to prevent anything bad from happening. So let me show you what they look like real quick. Okay, so the neat thing about these, whenever they're just on, they're actually clear. And I was a little worried about that at first because it really didn't say in the description that they had any kind of amber color to them. So whenever you turn the hazards or the blinkers on, they actually blink amber. So, I mean, that's a plus, and I think it looks pretty cool that I didn't even know I was getting. So here, let me show you what that looks like. So here they are just on, and you can see that these two lines in the center are clear in the day whenever the lights are just on. And it's all the LEDs around it that blink amber whenever you turn the blinkers or hazards on. So here's what happens whenever you turn the blinkers or hazards on. If the lights are on, the two lines stay lit clear and everything else blinks amber. If the lights are off, just the amber lights blink. So I know this is a short video, but long story short, I said last summer that I was going to kind of get away from buying the cheapest things because I was noticing that I was having to replace those way more often. So now I'm looking for good quality, affordable products. And I think these Axials from Extreme Terrain are really going to fit the bill. I've only had them for about 3 weeks now, so let's go a little bit longer and see what happens. Until next time, thanks guys.
Light me up, don't you stop. 'cause tonight it's on the line. Show me how you get on down.